Let's have a look now at some of the more common editing tools that allow you to edit your components in your circuit. Now you'll see that we've got some components in here. They're not as neat and as tidy as they could be. And one of the very common editing tools available to you is Align. Now there's two ways of getting to the Align command. You can go to the Schematic tab on the ribbon, go to Edit Components here, and see this little red cross here that says Scoot. We'll look at that in a moment. You've also got Align, Move Component, Reverse and Flip and so on. So you could use Align there. So let's go to Align, and I'm going to select this one here, K001. That's the one that I want to align with. So I click there. I want it to be horizontal, hence the horizontal dashed line. I click on this component here, right click to confirm, and they align. Now let's say that I want my relay coil here to align with my switch here. So I need to select the switch first this time. But if I just hover over the component and right click, Align is also on the component shortcut menu. So Align is there. Again, it's horizontal. If you want to change it to vertical, you just type V for vertical. I'm going to align that one there and right click, and that aligns that. Notice it tidies up the wiring for me as well, which is really, really helpful. Now, to edit any standard component that you've got in your drawing, you go to the Schematic tab here and the Edit Components panel here, and there's Edit there. If you click on the down arrow, you've also got Internal Jumper, Fix Unfix Tag, Copy Catalog, and User Table Data. We don't need any of those right now, we just want Edit. And then you select the component you want to edit. I'm going to go to my switch here because that actual tag S doesn't help anyone. So if I click on that there, I can edit my what they call child component. Now the component tag there is going to be switch 001. So let's do that there. Let's also though put some descriptions in there. So we'll put, let's say, switch, like that. Very common, and I'll OK that now. It even puts the text in there, the word switch for me, as a descriptor for that particular component. Now you'll see here that this text is actually quite large. Don't worry about it, you can edit that at any time. I'm just leaving it there for argument's sake at the moment, rather than mess around changing text heights. You can go in and edit these quite happily. So if I go to attribute there, can you see that? There's all the attributes there. Squeeze attribute text, attribute size, so I can change it there. Size and width. So I can change that if I want to. Okay, that's editing your components. Now any component can be edited. So if I go to edit again and go to a relay, I can edit that as well. So I can also put what installation it is, what location. I can cross-reference to other drawings as well. I can pick a description that might already be there. Let's have a look at that for a moment. Let's go to the Home tab here, and I'll put a piece of text in the drawing, let's say single line, and I'll drop it, say, there. And the height will be, let's say, 5, so I'll press Enter to accept that, and the rotation angle will be 0. I'll press Enter to accept that. So there's my cursor there, and I'll just type in relay. And there it is using the standard text style. Now it's on the wrong layer, so let's change that layer just to layer 0 for now. And I want that on layer 0, which is right there. Okay, so that's on layer 0. So let's go back to the Schematic tab now and edit, and I'll select that component there. And I want pick, and I pick that there. It puts the relay text into the description. When I OK it, can you see it's put a descriptor in there? So I've just picked that from that piece of text. So I could actually delete that piece of text now if I wanted to, and it's telling me there that that's a relay. So as you can see, lots of little tools that help you tweak and tidy up and edit your components in AutoCAD Electrical. Use them. They will make you quicker. They'll make you more productive. You can get your drawings out more quickly. And at the end of the day, isn't that what everybody wants? Get the drawings done quicker, you get to leave work quicker, right?